Welcome back, you crazy motorheads. It's an unboxing of the S10 Quick Performance 9-inch differential. She is awesome. Opted for the big web and back brace, fill cap, jack stand, drain plug, and a vent. Also got the matching axles, 31 spline, dual bolt pattern with the access hole. Quick took care of us great. Bearings are installed, ready to go. Also got the disc brake conversion for the back, 11-inch discs, geometric calipers, U-bolts, very nice complete kit. Very beefy rear end. Didn't know we were getting a pro mod rear end. Exceptional value for the price, and they're great people too.